Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook if it's not sending or receiving any email. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, fix your date and time. Okay, close Outlook. Find your date and time right here at the bottom right. Right click and click on Adjust Date and Time. And here, enable these two. Set time zone automatically. Enable. Set time automatically. Enable. Click on Sync Now. And then just wait for it to load. Once done, close this one. Find Outlook. Could be classic or the latest one. It's up to you. Wait for it to open. And then once it's opened, go ahead and go to the top. Under Focused, make sure that there are no filters. Make sure that it is set to all. Okay? And then after that, go ahead over to Others. Do the same thing. All right? Now, if that doesn't help, go ahead and go to the top left. Click on this horizontal lines. Okay, go to Jumps right here and check if there are emails in the section. Okay, if you can find one, just click on it and just click on Mark as not junk. Now, if you have this problem where you can't send nor receive email, well, you might want to check your account. Okay, as what Microsoft says in here, check your account, update your password if it's been changed recently. Your account might also be temporarily blocked because we noticed some unusual sign-in activity. Now, if you want to unblock your Outlook account, just click on this option right here. Okay? And if one of your devices isn't sending or receiving email, okay, removing the partnership between the mobile device and your mailboxes often fixes sync issues. All right? Now, more options right here to try. Close Outlook. Now, find your start menu, right click on it and click on Installed Apps. Wait for it to load and find Outlook right here. Okay, now click on three dots, click on Advanced Options, click on Terminate first, then Repair. Wait for it, reopen up Outlook, and check if it helps. If that will work, terminate, then reset. Reset right here, wait for it, open up Outlook, and just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will ask you to sync. I'll just hit on continue and continue when the browser opens. Okay. And then once that's done, if that still will work, make sure that you click on at least your email right here at the top left. Okay. When you click on it, if it asks you to sign back in, just go ahead and sign in and it will reload everything. Okay. From your recent inbox. And that is it. That's how simple it is to fix Outlook if it's not sending or receiving emails. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.